Previously, on kind of weird and obnoxious motorbike videos. Burn things. And sheep. And then you have to ask yourself, how the bloody hell am I getting home? Let me just step back in here for a second. Amazingly, hardly any of you found my little Easter egg that I left at the end of my video. And if you had waited at this black screen for quite a while, you would have seen this. Now what's supposed to happen is your fuel lines go from the tank on either side, connect to here at this fuel tap. But it seems all my foreshadowing was wasted. Anyway, here's the closure. Oh hi. Yes, it's me again. The guy that rode that bike around the planet. In case you didn't know, I decided to ride this bike from Sydney to England, via several countries, and finally reaching the destination about 10 months later, when it should have only taken about 3. And if you've got an entire day to kill, you can watch my 4.5 hour long video right there. Anyway, before I left on the journey on this bike, a very wise and very old German guy said to me, make sure you're sure, because travelling on bikes is like crystal meth. And once you've returned from your journey, all you're going to be doing is thinking about the next one. And he's 100% right. So now I'm basically the motorbike equivalent of a meth addict. And unfortunately, this is the result. KTM 690 Enduro. Why though? Well, in order to explain this, I have pushed the limits of the length of my microphone cable in the hope that my editing skills are good enough for this. That's right, it's a Simpson Desert Crossing.